maintenance. The big burner on the stove has a screwed jet, so we need to replace the burner. Problem is that everything's corroded. Easy out to try and get rid of some screws so we can change the burner. Usual 5-minute job, taking about 2 hours. Or we just strip the head completely. Hands off. Well, it's not like we need the burner. No. It works. This boat is Catamaran. It's a sailing vessel. So 2 hulls, very stable, 57 foot. And is part of the, or it is the Cabrini Quest. Google that shit. I'm a member of the Cabrini Quest. And I've come on board to help do the sail, to be crew, to go from Fiji up to Micronesia. It'll be a 10-day, maybe 14-day, depending on the weather. Sail to get up there. So it's going to be pretty, well, it's probably going to be pretty boring, just sailing. But it's going to be fun. Something completely different. Flipped it over, and the connection that holds the gas pipe into the burner is completely screwed as well. This will be fun. Some level of success. The old, the new. Yes. Now I've got to get it all back together. Pretty sure the manufacturer didn't intend for this to happen. Find some strawberry.